Buckle, buckle, knuckle. I think, is it Dom and Peyton? All right, Dom and Peyton, go have a seat. All right, don't worry, it's gonna go fast. You'll be back in real fast. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. All right, Huckle, buckle, hands. You two goofballs, I think. Out you go. Okay, here we go. Huckle, buckle, buckle. Kirk and Eduardo, have a seat. You'll be back in the next round. Good job, fellas. Good job. Okay. Huckle, buckle, back. Kira and Jacob. Not Kira and Jacob, Leela and Jacob. You guys are out. Leela, Jacob, you're out. Huckle, buckle, thumbs. All right, I kind of missed out on that, Coach. What do you think? All right, redo. Here we go. Huckle, buckle, elbows. Which two? Okay, you guys are out. Nice job. Everyone back.